In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a bracket order with stop loss and take profit on a chart. To get started, look over to the right side of your chart and open the order panel. This is the area where you'll set up the details of your trade before sending it to the market. If you already have an open trade visible on the chart, there's another quick way to access the same controls. Simply right-click on the open trade line. Both methods are designed to bring you to the order settings you need, so use whichever feels more natural in your workflow. Once the panel is open, choose your trade direction. You'll typically see the option to buy or sell. Buying is used when you expect price to move higher, while selling is used when you expect price to move lower. Before clicking anything, take a second to confirm that your direction matches your trading idea. This small pause can help prevent costly mistakes, especially in fast-moving markets. Next, turn on your stop loss by checking the SL box. A stop loss is your protective exit, meaning it helps limit your downside if the trade moves against you. After enabling it, enter either your target exit price or your risk in ticks, depending on how your platform allows you to define it. If you prefer to trade with precise price levels, use the price field. If you manage trades based on a fixed amount of movement, entering ticks may be more convenient. The key here is to make sure the stop loss is placed at a level that fits your plan, not just a random distance. After that, enable your take profit by checking the TP box. This is the order that closes the trade for a gain once price reaches your intended reward level. Just like with the stop loss, you can enter either a target price or a profit amount in ticks. This helps you define your exit in advance so you're not making emotional decisions while the trade is active. When everything looks correct, click the execution button to submit the order. At that point, your trade will be sent with both protective brackets attached, meaning your stop loss and take profit are already in place from the start. That's an important part of staying disciplined and managing risk properly. Before submitting any order, it's always a good habit to do one final review of the direction, stop loss, and take profit values. A quick check can save you from entering the wrong setup. And that's how to place a bracket order directly from the chart with both protective exits attached.